According to the National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB, in its report dated 8 October 2025, official cases have exploded from 53,000 to over 86,000 in just 2 years. This is an alarming situation that will continue to rise if we don't take the first step, becoming aware. To sensitize our students on the responsible and safe use of powerful digital tools, Montfort School, Dhenkanal, organized a spirited debate competition for the Cyber Safety Awareness Campaign 2025. Students debated the following topics in both English and Oriya. Here is a glimpse of the eye-opening event, which drove home a critical message for our students: prioritizing safety in all digital interactions is non-negotiable. Have a look.
Well, in my opinion, I do stand for the notion that internet is the best friend of man. From online classes to digital libraries to AI tutors, everything has occurred to us. Internet is the best gift that humanity has ever made for itself. Secondly, I say this that internet, beyond our textbook, gives us skills. Education might deteriorate in the near future. The skills you have been gifted, they won't. Internet is the best friend man has ever created, rather a creative and a resourceful one. Use it wisely, it will give you a boon. Use it wrong, it will give you a pin.
Should mobile phones be allowed in classrooms or not? In my opinion, mobile phones shouldn't be allowed in classes during the free hours, as it does more harm than good. Mobile phones have many disadvantages that are just unjustified over the advantages. Social media in the mobile phones distract our young minds through games, messaging and notification, which reduce our focus and also lessen our academic performance over time. In conclusion, I would like to say that if we use mobile phones with responsibility and under proper guidance, then we can make good use of them.
Is online gaming good or bad for the young minds? In my opinion, online gaming is too bad for the young minds. Some games show violence, which motivates the children to fight aggressively. They may start shouting or behaving angrily. Online games use dynamic visual effect, which creates an addiction. Some children may play them secretly even when the parents listen. At last, online games steals family time. Children may lose interest from studies and from real life.
आज आपणଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ ଏକ ବିଶେଷ ବିଷୟ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। ଏହା ହେଉଛି ଯୁବପିଢ଼ିଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ର ପ୍ରଭାବ। ଆଜିର ଏହି ବହୁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତକର ଆଧୁନିକ ଜୀବନ ଶୈଳୀ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ ଏକ ମନୋରଞ୍ଜନର ମାଧ୍ୟମ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିର ଏହି ଯୁବପିଢ଼ି ଏହାର ଦୁରୁପଯୋଗ କରୁଅଛି, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଏହି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ ନିମନ୍ତେ ଏକ ନିଶାରେ ପରିଣତ ହୋଇଛି। ଏହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏହି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ତଥା ସାମାଜିକ ଜୀବନକୁ ବହୁ ପ୍ରକାରେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ କରୁଅଛି। ଆଜିର ଏହି ଯୁବପିଢ଼ି ଏହି ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଗେମ୍ର ଦୁରୁପଯୋଗ କରି ନିଜ ସମୟକୁ ଏଥିରେ ବହୁତ ନଷ୍ଟ କରୁଅଛି, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ସେମାନେ ନିଜ ଶିକ୍ଷା ତଥା କର୍ମକ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଅଗ୍ରସର ହୋଇପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ପିତାମାତା ତଥା ପରିବାରଜନଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଥ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି, ନିଜ ଶରୀରର ମଧ୍ୟ ଅବକ୍ଷୟ ହେଉଛି, ଚକ୍ଷୁ ମସ୍ତିଷ୍କ ତଥା ସ୍ନାୟୁ ରୋଗରେ ପୀଡ଼ିତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଜି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ କକ୍ଷରେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନର ବ୍ୟବହାରକୁ ଅନୁମତି ଦେବା ସପକ୍ଷରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନଙ୍କ ଆଗରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଅଛି। ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ଏକ ବିକ୍ଷୋଭର ଉପକରଣ ନୁହଁ, ବରଂ ଏହା ହେଉଛି ଏକ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଉପକରଣ, ଯାହା ଆଧୁନିକ ଶିକ୍ଷାକୁ ଉନ୍ନତ କରିଥାଏ। मोबाइल फोन आज के समय केवल टेक्स्ट कि सोशल मीडिया पे व्यवहार हुए ना, बरं यहाँ छात्र छात्री मानक अनेक भाव व्यवहार और लाभदायक करें, जमीती कि शिक्षा आप ऑनलाइन डिक्शनरी वर्चुअल लैब इत्यादि उपलब्ध कराए। मोबाइल फोन व्यवहार आमको कम कर नहीं, बरं एभली भाव व्यवहार कर जो आम टेक्नोलोजी सह आलिंगन कर
इंटरनेट क्या भल लागू अबा न लागू होची एही दुनियार सबुठ बड़ शत्रु, एक विकसित भारत रो सबुठ बड़ शत्रु। एही इंटरनेट जहां को हमें ज्ञान सागर भावुची, सेही सागर जे निज ढेउरे हमकु केबे उड़ाई देला सेही जिंस हमें जानि पारुना। आगरो हमें केते जे बही पढी कि निज प्रश्नर उत्तर निजे करू, किंतु एबे गूगल, चैट जीपीटी और अन्य एआई सिस्टम द्वारा तैयारी आंसर्स को आमे नकल करूँ किंतु अंतरे यह तमरी उपरे निर्भर करे तमे इंटरनेट को देश गढ़िया भविष्य गढ़िया कि युवपीढ़ी व्यवहार कर इंटरनेट द्वारा निजर भविष्य और देशर भविष्य निज हाथ में भांगी
Montfort School's Safety Cyber Awareness Campaign 2025 highlighted that the internet is powerful when used wisely and risky when neglected. Let this drive ongoing learning and safer digital choices at home and in school. A vigilant user today makes a safer citizen tomorrow.